Hi guys, we're taking a first look at a new Z87 workstation motherboard from ASUS. So it's Z87-WS. So this is actually a new board, supports 4-way SLI as well as AMD Crossfire X. The main thing we are talking about is just all the best features within a workstation motherboard, which you can see over here. So this is actually a whole board. You can realize that ASUS has actually changed the whole the color scheme, and they actually use gold instead of the standard blue they have used in the previous motherboards from the I believe P67 and even X58 onwards. So let's take a look at the first things from this motherboard. So you can see they actually have two PCI 8 pins EPS connectors over here, so it's for the best power delivery as well as 4 DIMM slots over here. So this actually supports up to 2800 MHz with overclocking, and if your motherboard supports that. So this is LGA 1150, and we are looking at very nice power delivery systems over here. So let's take a look at the PCIe supports. So it's PCI Express 3.0. The first one is actually an X16 slot. The second one is an X8, but it's physically X16, but electrically it's X8. And then we have X1 as well as another X16. So we can have a full bandwidth Crossfire and SLI. And lastly, we have PCI Express X1 slot. So at the bottom, we can see that we have the standard. Let's put it down here. We have a standard quick access buttons for you to reset or on your computer for quick troubleshooting as well. And we can see additional postcodes over here. Other than that, let's take a look at there's a nice soft bridge heatsink over here, which is based on your ICH10, I believe. The good thing about Z87 is that they have quick and built-in SATA 6 gigabit per second support. So this 6 over here is directly native from the Z87 chipset, and additionally there's another 4 which is 6 gigabit as well, which is provided by some chip which I'm still not sure of. Over here we can also see a mini PCIe, I believe, or probably an mSATA port. Then let's take a look at the I/O. First we have a PS2 port for your mouse and keyboard, 2 USB 2.0, and then another 2 USB 3.0 and 2 eSATA ports. Then we have mini display port as well as HDMI and the standard size display port. Then we also have a SPDIF. Then other than that, we have dual gigabit LAN, another 2 USB 3.0, a quick CMOS reset, 8, another 2 USB 2.0 as well as your 8-channel audio. So as you can see, it's a very nice board overall, but my camera isn't focusing. Let's focus. Okay, so it's a very nice board. A nice layout, but honestly speaking, I still prefer the blue color instead of a gold right now. There's a nice switch over here. We switch on your EPU as well as your TPU, and we have MEM OK and direct key ports over here. Yep. So that's it, 4 slots, and that's probably the best you can get from a workstation motherboard from ASUS for their Z87 lineup. Thank you.